Spine injuries are one of our greatest expertise areas. The reason for that is many types of spine injuries go undiagnosed. Lawyers forget to actually ask the clients about the nuances of their clients' injuries. What I do, and what my staff does, is we spend a lot of time speaking to the client about the symptoms that they have. That we're able to identify surgical cases right off the bat, almost immediately, by virtue of the severity of the symptoms and by virtue of where the symptoms are. The single most important thing in representing somebody with a spine injury is getting them to the right doctor and getting them to the right doctor soon. The other thing about spine surgery cases is that it's very important that you have the means to pay for it. A lot of regular health insurance will not cover the really specialized doctors who are the guys you want working in your spine. Because we have arrangements with them, they will accept no fault and they will accept workers' comp. And often we can get those surgeries funded through third-party funding companies based on the reputation of the firm to win and based on the amount of insurance coverage available for the settlement. The promise that we make here at Buttafuoco & Associates, especially the spine-injured clients, is that we will get you to the best professionals in the world to get you to a place of MMI, maximum medical improvement, before we settle your case. We never want to settle a case where we are not sure that the client has reached his or her maximum stage of medical improvement. So get the best lawyer you can get.